Vechain did phenomenally well in 2020-2021 with its well over 5,000% gains. This raises some questions. Are you late for the vet party? Is Vechain a good investment in 2021? Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers about the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about Vechain, how it works, its price, and more. So be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on today's video. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. What is Vechain? VET. Vechain is a blockchain project founded in 2015. The project was originally launched as a supply chain management and anti-counterfeiting system based on blockchain and IoT technologies. In December 2017, the product was rebranded and relaunched as the Vechain Thor blockchain for decentralized applications, or also known as dApps. Vechain was founded in 2015 by Sunny Liu, the former CIO of Louis Vuitton, China. He combined his luxury goods knowledge with blockchain technology for supply chains. He acts today as the CEO of Vechain through a non-profit entity based in Singapore called the Vechain Foundation. At first, Vechain was famous for its blockchain technology and smart product tracking chips integrated into various devices, such as NFC chips, QR codes, or RFID trackers. Vechain's primary goals were to optimize the supply chain, protect against counterfeiting, ensure product safety, and verify product authenticity, among other things. Vechain's focus as a blockchain platform and related cryptocurrency is to record what happens at every stage of the supply chain. According to its white paper, its main purpose is to improve the management of supply chains and related business processes. How does Vechain work? Vechain utilizes a variety of technologies to accomplish its goal to streamline the supply chain sector. For example, Vechain uses radio frequency identification tags and sensors to monitor critical data during shipment. This information is broadcast in real time across the blockchain. This strategy enables any stakeholders or market participants to monitor the item to verify its condition and authenticity. Paramountly, this approach is perfect for large, complex supply chains. Vechain can monitor these gigantic networks and keep businesses up to date on developments as they occur. Proof of Authority, or POA, is the underlying protocol behind the Vechain Thor blockchain. Authority masternode operators maintain the protocol behind this blockchain. These operators have aligned interests in the development of the Vechain ecosystem. Some selected groups can apply to be an Authority masternode, or AM, on the blockchain. The community chooses new AMs from candidates in 5 categories: enterprise users, blockchain development teams, business and technical development partners, community contributors, academic research partners. Candidates should fill a form, and the Vechain Foundation will finally choose new AMs from the applicants. This protocol addresses many challenges and worries that enterprises have when contributing to the blockchain. It needs low computation power for achieving network security and consensus. What are some of Vechain's partnerships? Vechain has an impressive list of partnerships that have already led to working solutions. The company aims to change the big players' acceptance of blockchain technology by expanding partnerships and integration. The largest international companies and organizations from different fields have joined Vechain, including PricewaterhouseCoopers. One of the largest global audit firms counts Dell, Cisco, IBM, and Ford among their clients. China National Partnership. Vechain and the Chinese government have partnered to implement blockchain technology in Guyana New Area, a special economic development zone. Among the companies that will launch operations in the Guyana New Area are IBM, Microsoft, Apple, Huawei, Tencent, and Foxconn. BMW Group. Vechain participates in developing a blockchain solution to store vehicle data and safely transfer it to third parties. BitOcean. One of the first fully licensed cryptocurrency exchanges by Japan's Financial Services Authority. The company provides an ATM-based solution for selling and buying crypto. The presence of Vechain is vast in comparison to other competitors. Of course, a significant reason for this is the significant advantages stated here and above. A variety of platforms offer the ownership advantage of Vechain VET. A prominent and well-known is via Binance, which happens to be the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Now let's move on and talk about the price of Vechain. At the time this video is uploaded, Vechain is trading at 14 cents in terms of its USD rate, with a price change of 0.56%. VET has a total market cap of $8,701,672,208 with a 24-hour trading volume of $554,003,621,000. This makes Vechain ranking in the cryptocurrency market. Due to the pandemic, while Vechain cryptocurrency has been performing its best in markets recently in the last year, it has not satisfied the expectations of the digital asset investors in terms of price. This is mainly due to the uncertainty prevailing in the market. Due to the pandemic effect, the investment scenario has witnessed change and is likely to continue by 2021. Volatility in the Vechain price has hit its capitalization too, and as a result, the cost of Vechain price predictions has already hit its rock bottom. Investors are pinning hope on the vaccine they feel would be the magic wand for an optimistic price prediction 2021 for Vechain being viewed as a good investment. Today's VET price is around 10 cents in the cryptocurrency market. A price correction after such a massive pump would be expected for investment. However, as per our Vechain price prediction, the currency might continue the uptrend for the short term as the crypto market marked a significant growth, resulting in the price hike of most altcoins. As per our Vechain price prediction, the coin is at the end of its short-term bullish cycle, and it might keep the uptrend intact. Lots of traders and price prediction platforms reside in the market, which analyzes future Vechain price prediction. Wallet Investor is a popular forecast website that makes technical analysis-based price predictions of various cryptocurrencies on an excellent investment. According to the forecast analysts of Wallet Investor market prediction and technical analysis, the result would be that Vechain price prediction might be trading at $0.3 in 1 year, as per the current momentum and VET price today. Crypto experts believe Vechain is very bullish and optimistic. So is VET a good investment? VET is the primary value transfer token in Vechain. Its price can change according to the expansion of the ecosystem, new partnerships, new use cases, and many more things. The cryptocurrency has shown good capabilities in the 2021 bull run. The tokenomics model of the Vechain Thor blockchain is attractive enough for new buyers coming to the market of this token. One of the most promising facts about VET and its underlying blockchain is its strong ties with the Chinese governments and strength in the market in that region. China is one of the biggest cryptocurrency markets globally, and Vechain has a good presence there. Besides, Vechain Foundation and other entities in the ecosystem try their best to expand partnerships with companies in that region. Numerous use cases for this blockchain in the real world result in more attention from companies. Food safety, anti-counterfeiting, supply chain management, health records management, tracking carbon emissions, and data management are some of the big use cases for the enterprise-focused blockchain. All of them result in more companies and enterprise users for this ecosystem that can further increase VET's price. The team behind Vechain has been able to achieve impressive results since the project was launched. Its partnerships show that big players are interested in this project's development and technology in general. A significant advantage of the project is that it pays attention to implementing improvements to the blockchain and supply chains and developing the sensors and microchips needed to perform the tasks. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Vechain? Will you invest in VET? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.